To create AI graphics in Canva for our storyline builds, we'll first need to install an app. Select the Apps option in the navigation panel on the left side of the screen. Now the app I want to use, Text to Image, is displayed at the top of the page already. If this option is not appearing on your screen, go to the search bar and type in Text to Image and hit Enter. Select the icon for Text to Image. After selecting the Text to Image app in the navigation, a panel will appear that allows you to type in a prompt. Choose from an existing prompt and choose options for your AI graphic, including the style and size of your image. I'm just going to select the top prompt and go with that. After typing in your prompt or choosing from the existing options, select Generate. The app will begin working on creating your image. Soon, 4 options that match your prompt will appear. You can also choose Create Again to generate more images from the same prompt, or Start Over to make a new prompt. I really like this image of the panda riding the bike, so I'm going to select it to add it to my design. Once you've added the AI graphic from this app to your design, you'll notice that it also appears in your image uploads as well.